Hey guys, Carlos from realteesfishing.com. Today we got a great little video. If you trailer your boat to and from the marina, you're gonna wanna stay tuned and check this out. We're gonna make a difficult situation extremely easy, and we're gonna be talking about blowing out a tire on the side of the road. And now you're not gonna need a jack. You're not gonna need a high lift jack. You're not gonna need safety jacks. We're gonna get that tire up in the air in a matter of seconds versus having to carry all this equipment to get this done. So stay tuned, you're gonna wanna see this. All right, what you see here is basically all you're gonna need. Basically just a measuring tape, drill, something to make some straight cuts, your saw, pencil, a 2x6 or a 2x8 and at least 8 feet long. And I'm gonna show you why you need 8 feet. And a pencil to mark, some screws, and we're done here. So my first piece, about 26 inches, right? So what that's gonna do is gonna kind of help the tire come up. All right, so we got our first piece, cut it about 26 inches long. And we're gonna come out here. We're gonna measure 23 inches long. Right? Right about 23 inches. Let's put this bad boy out here. Third piece, so we did 26, we did 23, now we're gonna do 20. And the last one's gonna be 17. And lastly, we're gonna cut about a little section. All right, so we're gonna take our initial piece, line this up. Then our wheel stop so that we don't go too far. There you have it. All right guys, so when you guys are done, it should look something like this. We're gonna throw that in the back of the truck, forget about it, it'll stay back there. And the day we need to lift up one of our trailer tires, this is gonna be the trailer jack. 2x6, 2x8 is probably gonna be your best bet. 2x4 is a little narrow, and the sides of the tire actually hang over the 2x4. So with all that weight, you kind of start to possibly run into the issue where you're gonna damage the good tire, just because there's so much weight in an odd position on that tire. So a 2x6 minimum 2x8, even better. Stack it up in this kind of position, kind of like a stairs, and you'll get your trailer up, change your tire in no time. All right, guys, that wraps up the video. Give us a like. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one.